Hey, it's Batty Brea, and as you saw from the thumbnail and title, it is going to be an all metallic eye. So I wanted to start with some chit chat to discuss prepping the skin only so, how do I say this? I'm going to make sure and fill my pores, that way my skin isn't competing with my eyes. A metallic eye is going to draw the attention to your eyes, and if you have a lot of glow to the skin, it's gonna compete. So to prevent that, I'm gonna start with the Porefessional. Of course, you don't need this. You can use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty. Honestly, I don't see a difference when I use this or the e.l.f. brand. I bought the e.l.f. one myself, and this Benefit primer was given to me by BoxyCharm. That's the only reason I have it. Along with my iconic London Illuminator, also from BoxyCharm, because I ain't gonna spend that kind of money. Thanks, BoxyCharm. And with this, barely any of it, and just the spots that we would highlight anyways. By doing that, there's the highlight where we want it, and it's gonna be under the foundation, so it's not gonna be in your face, even though that's what a lot of people like. But again, metallic eyes, that's what's gonna be in your face. I'm gonna go ahead and now put foundation over this, and yeah, go from there. All right, I like flat. Foundation, concealer, some setting powder, done. Now, I have really shaky hands. If you've never watched any of my videos before, that's why I use a wing stamped eyeliner, certain other things I do also, which is another reason I have the e.l.f. Line and Define eye tape. I'm gonna go ahead and set that as close to my lower lash line as possible. Fabulous. It's a great start. First, I'm going to use my Morphe Contour and Highlight Palette, the lightest beige in here, just to add a little contrast. Don't really need any. You can barely see it. I'm going to use this palette that was given to me by my sister. You know, it's from her. Her dog loves to chew on it, but never damages the shades. So here they are. Beautiful. So I'm gonna use these two and probably this one also to deepen. I'm gonna go ahead and be quite literal and just put it exactly where I want it, lightest to darkest. I'm gonna go ahead and start the lightest, go to the next, like I just said, shocking, I know, and blend my way through as I go and hope for the best. And it's as simple as that. I do see some patchiness. I do believe it's because yesterday I did a very red eye and my eyes aren't happy about it still. So go ahead and peel this off. Wow. Mascara. I use the Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift. It does wonders. I like to go over just a little on the top. Why? I don't know. It makes me feel like it makes a difference. Does it? Probably not. I also like to really focus on the outer lashes. I have pretty long lashes, so even if I barely touch these ones closer, they tend to steal the attention from the rest. So I like to go straight up and curve this way. I'm going to apply my Ardell Demi Wispies that I cut. I'm not sure if I like these lashes with this. But they're on. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one, and yeah, I'll be right back. I don't think I like these lashes. Put some more mascara on with them. And already on. And I lift my clip. So I also added my bronzer, the Cool Revolution Mega Bronzer 01 Cool. I do feel pretty cool when I wear it. I think that's it. For my lips, I'm going to use NYX Lip Pencil in Nude Pink. Let's see. Yeah. The lip product I use is Jouer High Pigment Lip Gloss Rodeo. That's it. What do you think? Let me know. Thanks for watching. Again, I am Batty Brea. Follow me on Instagram, like this video. Unless you didn't like it, then thumbs down so I know. Feel free to comment. Feel free to subscribe. Ring that bell, aka click it.